the Gut Check, the show where you explore the amazing world of human biology and uncover the secrets of how our body works. I'm your host, Dr. Lucas, and today we're embarking on an incredible journey through the digestive system. Have you ever wondered what happens to your food after you take that first delicious bite? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the entire process from chewing to digestion and everything in between. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this educational adventure together. The digestive system is a series of organs and glands responsible for processing food so the body can absorb and utilize nutrients and eliminate waste. The mouth starts the process, but the system is largely composed of the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, the liver, the gallbladder, the pancreas, the rectum, and the anus. Let's take a look at how it all works. Let's take a look at how food travels through our digestive system. First, let's imagine that you're chewing a piece of broccoli. Once you put it in your mouth, it is mixed up with saliva, and as you chew the food turns into smaller pieces. Then the food travels through your esophagus. Then the food ends up in your stomach, which churns and mixes the food with gastric juice. This is where your food is digested. Then the then it travels through your small intestines, where the food is further digested and where proteins, fats, and carbohydrates are absorbed. Then it continues onto the large intestine, where the salt and water from the food is absorbed, leaving a soft mass called stool or poop, as we all know it. The food moves into the rectum, which acts as the stool's temporary storage, and it finally moves to the anus, where the stool exits the body. It's important to notice that the liver produces bile, which is a substance that helps digest fats. It also processes nutrients absorbed from the small intestine and detoxifies chemicals. The gallbladder may seem small and insignificant, but it is where it stores and concentrates bile from the liver, releasing it into the small intestine to help in the digestion of fats. The pancreas produces enzymes that help digest protein, fats, and carbohydrates into the small intestine. It produces it also produces insulin, which regulates blood sugar levels. Let's look at 5 fun facts about the digestive system. Did you know that if stretched out, the entire digestive tract from the mouth to the anus is about 30 feet long? The acid in your stomach is so strong enough to dissolve metal. It takes about 6 to 8 hours for food to pass through your stomach and small intestine. The esophagus moves forward to your stomach through a series of muscular contractions called peristalsis. The stomach uses mucus to protect itself from its own acid. Hey, Dr. Lucas here, and this is the anatomy of the digestive system. Here we have our esophagus, which is connected to the stomach, and the stomach is connected to the small intestine, and the small intestine is connected to the large intestine. We also have our rectum and anus, and our pancreas, our liver, and our gallbladder. The digestive system works with many other body systems, but let's discuss 2 of them. First, it works with the excretory system. The digestive system digests and takes the nutrients from the food, and the excretory system works by getting rid of the waste from the body. Second, it also works with the circulatory system. After food is digested and the nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream through the walls of the small intestine, the circulatory system then transports these nutrients around the body. The digestive system helps keep your body in balance by turning the food you eat into nutrients your body needs. It breaks down food so you can absorb vitamins, minerals, and energy. It also controls your blood sugar with hormones like insulin, keeps you hydrated by absorbing water, and gets rid of waste. Your stomach and intestines have good bacteria that help protect you from bad germs. Plus, it tells your brain where you're hungry or full, so you eat the right amount. All these things work together to keep your body to move slowly. That can impact a person's life. Crohn's disease is when you have inflammation and scarring in your intestine. The most common symptoms are diarrhea, cramping of the abdomen, and weight loss. Doctors aren't sure what causes Crohn's disease. It's caused by an immune reaction to eating gluten, which is found in pasta, cookies, baked goods, etc. The disease can cause long-lasting digestive problems and keep your body from getting all the nutrients it needs. Symptoms include stomach pain and cramping. Isn't it amazing how our bodies turn food into the energy and nutrients we need to survive? In this segment, we'll be joined by Dr. Smith, a gastroenterologist, who will explain how different foods affect our digestion and what we can do to maintain a healthy digestive system. Stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you later.